What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do another update video on the Traxxas Mini Max 4-wheel drive truck. Now as you can see, this thing got a huge 150 on this weekend. Because, well, I expected this thing right here exactly because it actually looks pretty nice in my opinion. I do kind of like enjoy this machine a lot because I wish I would get a new body for this one because you see it's like, it's cracked big time, you can see. The mower is really hard, you can see. And it's definitely how much I expected this thing that he's gonna get used almost like quite a bit because you know how I expected this machine is acting, which I mean this is the original battery and you see this is a 2S battery you can see because you can tell this is because it lasts longer than the 8.4 battery the user came with the same exactly, which definitely looks pretty nice looking machine, pretty easy to see. Now it is really warm in my opinion, but you see how much I expected this thing to get used almost like every single time this machine is like you see because you can tell this mower is very hard, you can see because you know I expected this thing, and this thing actually survives the whole season though. I'm really surprised this thing lasted through a whole season till something like this much a little bit because you see how much expected this thing is like, which it actually looks pretty nice in my opinion, but you see how much expected this thing you can see because a lot of times it gets grass and dirt and leaves on there, see, because you know how I expected this thing exactly, which I kind of like this thing because you see how much expected this thing exactly, which is definitely looks pretty much what I expected the same exactly, which is it's definitely how much I expected the same exactly, which is not that bad in my opinion, but as you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion because you see how much I expected the same exactly. So this thing will get used again another weekend, and this is a very nice looking machine.